In this video, we're going to show you how to tile around a bath. It's much easier than it looks, so keep watching for a step-by-step guide. For a full list of tools and materials used in this video, check out the description below. Before you start tiling, you'll need to install tile backer boards that are suitable for use in wet and humid areas onto your wall, as new changes to British standards do not allow tiles to be installed directly onto plywood. These will need to be sealed with a primer to reduce porosity levels, and certain areas will need to be tanked. If you've already tiled some of your wall, make some measurements to ensure your bath panel tiling matches this placement. You'll also want your panel to match your floor, so take measurements of those tiles and mark them onto the panel. Don't forget to account for the gaps between the tiles when measuring up, and it's a good idea to use a spirit level so your markings are at a perfect 90-degree angle. Transfer your bath panel's measurements onto the tiles, then trim them down with a single straight cut using a manual tile scribe. You may need to cut notches in some tiles, for example at the lip of the bath. Now before you do this, thoroughly measure this space that needs to be filled. Mark your measurements onto the tile, then using an electric tile cutter or grinder, cut a notch out of your tile. Then dry lay the tiles to make sure they fit perfectly before you start to use the adhesive. You'll also need to measure the height of your bath and cut the tile trim with a saw to ensure that it fits. When mixing your adhesive, check the instructions on the packaging for the ideal water to product ratio. Mix the adhesive with water until you get a consistency that's thick enough to hold its shape on the trowel, but still malleable enough to spread easily. Now it's a good idea to then wash the paddle with a bucket of clean water to prevent build-up on the whisk. Apply the adhesive to the wall using the notched side of the spreader. Make sure to create straight uniform lines so that air bubbles don't form. Then apply the adhesive to the bottom of the tile using the smooth side of the spreader, making sure to cover the whole surface. This is known as back buttering. Then scrape any excess back into the bucket. Press the tile down, making sure to push down on all sides. Then use a spirit level to ensure your tiles are laid straight. Grab a damp sponge and wipe the area to get rid of any adhesive that might have come up through the gap. Now when you get to a corner, you'll need a trim. Apply the adhesive to the area and place the trim onto the corner. Then you can continue to tile around the rest of the bath. You should also check the manufacturer's instructions to find out how long your adhesive will need to set. Measure out the cold, clean water and pour it into a clean mixing bucket. Slowly add the grout using the ratio recommended on the packaging. Then mix with a drill and whisk until you get the perfect consistency. Similar to the adhesive, it should be thick enough to hold its shape on the trowel, but still malleable enough to fill the grooves between your tiles. Place the grout over the joins and gently work it into the gaps with a grout float, making sure it's flush with the tiles. When the grout joins become firm and the tile surface becomes opaque, it's time to apply your first wash. Use a damp sponge and water to remove any excess from the tiles. Be careful not to apply too much pressure at this stage so you don't put any grout out of the wall. It's also a good idea to wipe across the joints rather than along them for the same reason. And sealant may be required for certain tiles. The final step is to apply your silicone sealant. Pipe it all the way along where the wall meets the floor. You'll also need to seal any corners where two walls meet. Use a smoothing tool to scrape away any excess and create a clean, consistent look. Make sure to keep the silicone clean throughout the process, as any dust or dirt will be permanently visible once it sets. And that's it! Your bath will now blend in seamlessly with your tiled walls and floor.